thick in the ass, but I wouldn't say fat.
Oh my god. You don't think I'm getting fat? You don't think I need to hit the gym? I forgot Daddy. Yeah, welcome back to Kicking It with the Kimberlins. I am going to be doing a prank on Tony. Right now he's in the store. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so bright. I gotta change the settings. But yeah, he's in the store. He is getting us some chips. And I am gonna be saying like, oh, this is the reason why I'm getting fat. Like, I know why I'm getting fat, and then he gonna be like, why? Now, if he say why, I'm gonna be like, but if he don't say why, then he passed the test. So, y'all stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully, my baby don't think I'm fat. I'm already, like, on this diet. I don't know why I'm getting chips. Hopefully, they good. But, we'll see. Stay tuned for his reaction. Or for my reaction, his and mine, because I'm gonna be surprised to see what he say. You think I'm fat or not? I don't know. Stay tuned for the video, and more to come, you guys. I got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure out how to work it and stuff with the lighting. We got Noe in the back. What's up, Noe Bo? What's y'all Aiden waiting? Aiden? Aiden? No, we. What's up? My hair looks crazy. I'm tired. I just got off work. But yeah. Stay tuned for the video. Kicking It with the Kimberlins. You got your girl India. You got Nola in the back. You got Aiden in the back playing the game. So yeah. Oh, look, that's coming out the store. What's up, baby?
They returned that sucker. Damn year old.
They did.
Oh, yeah.
What they say? Sorry about that, sir.
Oh my god, I can't believe he's the store manager too. I can't believe it. Yeah. And I went over there, the whole damn rack was still sitting there.
It was still sitting there. So you got me hot fries. You got me hot fries. I haven't had
and that mugger like.
I haven't had hot fries in forever.
You can drop and break that.
Oh Lord.
So I looked at the date. And the date says October of this year. You probably had them in a while.
They're normally crispier than this. I can just tell how they feel. What is going on out here?
He's high. Oh, he's high.
What the hell?
Yeah, he's high as hell. Yeah. That's what drugs.
Help him. Yeah,
He's tweaking. Look, he's still tweaking.
Yeah, what is going on? Someone gave this guy some drugs and he out here.
Okay, Tony Hawk and pro skater.
Anyways, you guys. Babe.
What?
I know why I'm getting fat.
Huh? You're getting fat?
Yeah.
Getting a little thick in the ass, but I wouldn't say fat.
Oh my god. You don't think I'm getting fat? You don't think I need to hit the gym?
I mean, for healthy reasons, maybe, but not for looks.
Well, babe, he just trying to say this, y'all, because we on camera.
No, I always tell you that.
No.
No.
Oh, no.
Be riding it and be like, oh, my bad. That's only fans. Why do you say that? Why do you think you're getting fat? What's making you fat?
all these snacks that you be buying me.
You the one that asked for them.
I know.
What am I supposed to deny you?
Yes.
Okay.
You're supposed to tell me.
Don't say that. I'll be like, you want what? No.
You bought me chips. You bought me Debbie cakes. You bought me cookies.
Those actually were my snacks. You just thought that they were for you. That's the problem. Like, you're eating my stuff. I bought the cookies.
Anyways, babe. Well, I guess you passed the test. This was a test. And I wanted to see if you thought I was fat. And you were supposed to say, oh, babe, why are you getting fat?
Babe, you're not fat. I don't think you know what fat means.
So you passed. Check mark. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching this short clip of video. My husband passed the test. Super surprised. So surprised. I knew he was going to be talking mess. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.